Hi everyone, this is Troy with TabSite. Today we're going to take a look at our FriendShare Deal Download application. This is a great app for creating a more viral angle on coupons or downloadable items that you want to offer to clients, or any information you want that is a downloadable item, PDFs, things like that. So let's dive in and take a look and see how the FriendShare Deal Download application works. So we're on the fan page Trekwood, and we're going to click on the View Deal tab, and that's going to pull up this coupon tab. So as you can see, we have our social sharing options at the top, which allows you to share this throughout many social media applications. And then we have our kind of main instructional image that says, largest online RV parts store with the best prices, trekwood.com, kind of gives a little plug for the website. And then share this with a friend to download a coupon, get 10% off your next order. So what you need to do is go down and share this with a friend. So you can start typing in a friend's name. I want to choose Johnny. It pops up, and you can only share with one friend. That's kind of a Facebook spamming rule. You can only share with one friend. And if I go back here, we'll take a look at this as well. As you can see down here, there's also a skip option. This is also a Facebook requirement. They require us to at least offer a skip option for the rules, not force people to share this with a friend. Most generally, we find that people do share this with a friend to get the download. So we're going to go ahead and move on and share this with Johnny. So I click on Johnny again. As you can see, it has a 10% off image here, which we can control, and I'll show you that soon in the back end. And then get 10% off your next purchase, 10% discount at trekwood.com. So this information will go onto Johnny's wall. So I'm going to go ahead and type in a message for Johnny. Check out this great deal, and then I'm going to go ahead and post that out there. So now that's gone to Johnny's page. At the end of this, it also pops up options to like, tweet, G+. Those are options you can control in the back, and giving them additional ways to share this virally. If they click OK, it'll come back to kind of a thank you page. This is after you've shared. So thank you for sharing. Download the deal below to get 10% off your next order. So they click the download button. It'll go ahead and download that PDF for them, give them that enter code 10% deal. And also it gives them opportunity to actually enter in their name. So you can actually enter in, collect data from them as well. And this is optional, but a lot of people will do it. They'll go ahead and put in their name and email address. They want to get future promotions and things like that. Great way to acquire a list. So this is kind of the front side of the FriendShare Deal Download application. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Backend Manager area within TabSite and see how this works. So I have this up here. We have our View Deal tab selected, and up here in the upper right-hand corner, it shows the total shares, the total skips, and this is a new one we just set up. So a share report, available export, a download report. You can click and see who shared, who exported, and looked at your download and so forth. So this is great statistics to have, and great valuable information. With the FriendShare Deal Download details, that's the main image that we put up there that told them what to do in order to get this download. So share with a friend to get a download. The FriendShare details, this is what shows up when they actually start to share this with a friend. It pops up and says you get 10% off, shows a little icon here that's a 90 by 90 icon, and there's also a description that says 10% discount at Trekwood. The after share image is basically kind of, we call it kind of a thank you image. So this is kind of a, hey, thanks for sharing this image, and then that also can be set up to a URL. So this destination URL goes to trekwood.com. Thank you for sharing our image. We try to funnel them off to the website as well, just to kind of get a little extra out of them. Hopefully they move on into that direction as well. Down below is the deal download. So you can actually upload an image here. We uploaded a PDF. You drag it here, it'll upload that. It'll give you the URL for that PDF if you want to use that anywhere else. And then you also have the option to enter a URL, just a straight URL. So if you're hosting a document on another web environment, you can enter the URL there. It'll pull that image right down, and that'll be the download for this deal download application. Then we have FriendShare promotions, and we can limit the settings. So you can say, oh, I only want to do this 500 times. I want to give this coupon out 500 times through here, and so you can limit that to 500 or whatever number you choose. And then you can also set an expiration date for this as well. So this is only going to go on till May 17th, and at 12 o'clock it's going to go down. So you can set that information there as well. And then the promotion over image, pretty straightforward. Once the expiration date is hit and you decide that this promotion is over. This is just an image that shows up that, basically says, hey, this promotion is over. Please check back soon for more information or other promotions that we're offering. Down below here with all of our TabSite engagement apps, we have social sharing options. As you saw earlier, we had the like, tweet, G+ up there. We put it at the top and bottom, so we clicked on both. We have a comments field. We can put a pre-populated tweet message in there, so when they click tweet, there's already information in there that can go out. These are some more comments and information you can put down here, a Facebook comment in the form. There's a like gate image. We don't have one on this. What that does is enable people to forces them to like your page before they can participate in that. So if they have not already liked your page, it's a great way to get a new like on your fan page, and so you can set up a like gate in order to do that. Styles, these are some text colors. You can change background and text colors if you choose. We have some additional promotional tools. If you enter an image in here, it'll drop some code in there. You can take that code, put it on your website, linking people back to this promotion, try to get them into your fan page. We have a smart URL that you utilize for we recommend utilizing this anywhere. You can actually utilize this URL to post on your wall or your timeline, and anytime someone clicks on that URL, it's going to automatically detect whether they're using a mobile device or a PC and push them in the right direction. Then in addition to that, we have some post planning features down here. Buffer, Sendable, Hootsuite, Plan Your Post is integrated in there as well. So if you use some of those popular systems, you can go ahead and continue to use these and put them in directly as you do. We just make it easy for you there. Advanced configuration. These are just some text information. So if you want to change text, you say you want to put this in the Spanish language, you can do that right here. You can put all the change all the text out to Spanish and change it however you choose. We even have an English language for the different buttons and so forth there as well if you want to move that around. So these are all the different things you can do to change the language, and that's available with any of our apps at TabSite. So that does it. That shows our FriendShare deal download application and how that can benefit you, and we recommend checking out TabSite.com for more information. Take a look at our blog at TabSite.com/blog. There's a wealth of information out there as well. So that is our application. Thank you for your time.